is my review on the M83 semi and fully automatic assault rifle. There's the pop-up system, and it has all the attachments like suppressor, laser, flashlight, ACOG, grip, and adjustable stock. So let's have a look. And first we get the ACOG. Oh wait, yeah, mine is actually broken. So let's say you turn it on, you twist that. It's like there's two settings. It's like, I don't think you see it, but setting 2 is like it's for dark, and setting 1 is for when it's light. Oh, I thought it was working then. Does it work? No, it's still shit. Yeah, and you get a flashlight, which actually works. It's alright for like dark. It's AAA, two AAA batteries. Yeah, that's at least it works. I've safety goggles, which are broke, as you can see. It's decent. I need to buy some new ones. A charger. Very good. Very good. A underbarrel grip, which you twist the bottom for it to come up. See that little bit there? Twist it for it to come up, and then yeah, it stays wherever you want it to. Suppressor, which doesn't actually suppress it, it just, I don't really know. Mine, it's alright when I do it, when I use it. It's probably the same. Yeah, little suppressor. And the actual end of the barrel, the nozzle thing, barrel, yeah. But it's broke as everything else. Yeah. But I'm probably gonna get a new one. Yep, that's alright. A sling, screwdriver, as usual, and you do actually get the sling attachments, like to go there and up there, and you get another battery for the ACOG. Yeah, no, those batteries are for like laser. Yeah. And then you got the actual gun. If I could do this one-handed. Yeah. The actual gun. Yeah, sorry about that. This is the actual gun. But before we get to that, this is the sort of speed loader and unjamming rod. As you can see, it's very long. So it's for unjamming the gun, as its name. And that's the same. It's like a speed loader. You like put that on the magazine, and then you push all the pellets down. Decent. And then you have the assault rifle, which is the adjustable stock. It's like that one. Yeah. This little sense. You have the semi-automatic, fully, but it's unsafe. I'll shoot it. And then the actual magazine, which holds about 30, I think. It's not the one where you can just turn it and more coming. I'm gonna get that one soon. Right, yeah. And you have the top rail, don't know how long it is, but yeah, for like the ACOG, I think. But you can actually undo these, take that off, and then there's another one in there, as you can see, right there. There's actually another one there, so you can actually put the ACOG there instead. And yeah, decent, but two little things. But oh yeah, and the actual pop-up is here. It's there. So there's pop, pop. Sorry, normal, pop, normal. I keep it on normal though. So only when the gun starts getting old, it starts to go down, so it makes it go up, like straight. And then you have actually side rails here. Shit. Yeah, side rails under there on both sides, and the bottom rail for the under barrel. And that's where the silencer the thing barrel, and that's where you keep it sling.